But don't go like a mom. Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today is the part 2 of the pop-up zombie. Today I'm gonna do the pop-up zombie on my boyfriend. Say hi! Let's start. First I'm gonna take my Grimace palette and then I'm gonna outline the areas I need.
Are you sure?
Now I'm gonna mix 2 blue colors together and then apply it on his skin. Okay, now my blue zombie is blue. Now I'll turn back to pink and fill in his brain area. Now let's draw him a nice mouth. And then here I'm gonna draw his gum. Let's go inside a yellow shade and then I'm gonna fill in here. Where he's dripping. Now let's grab a white and draw him some teeth. And then with the black, I'm just gonna make it darker and give it a bit of depth. Now I'll go inside the violet shade and then I'm just gonna draw here inside his mouth. Don't do
That's
it.
tigerish. No, just quick.
So now I'm gonna outline his brain while his mouth is drying. Now let's draw some brain after he fixes his hair. I'm just gonna outline his mouth. Now let's outline his eye. Let's draw a black thing on his nose. Some white to do his highlight. Now with the black eyeliner I'm gonna put some black dots. And we are almost done. I only need to apply some black on his eyelid. Actually it needs a bit of shading, but he will not let me do it, so this is his finished result. This is the pop-up zombie. Alright guys, this is the finished result. I hope you guys like this video. If so, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video.